We got this today. I just opened it. Ooh. The new Apple TV remote. Come on, fall off. No, it doesn't fall off. I'm laying down because I am a lazy motherfucker. Okay, now what? Okay, I'm taking it out. It is thick. Holy crap. I put it against the other one. Like, I have a cover on the other one. Damn. Okay. So now what? Is there instructions? Is there anything in this box? Oh, yep, there is. There is classic Apple stuff. There is this little thing, little cable. Looks like that's it. Okay. Okay. Is there any instructions on how to pair it? Just like the warnings. Siri remote. To pair your remote, move your remote within 3 to 4 inches of your Apple TV. Hold down, back, and volume up for 2 seconds. When you've paired your remote, a message appears on your Apple TV. Hold back and volume up for 2 seconds. So, this and this. One, two. Oh, remote connected. I think we missed it. But, okay, right now I'm watching Overlord. Like the iPod thing. There is a cutoff though, so like this is the cutoff. So like the top to the right, top to the left, but it doesn't keep spinning. And same for the bottom. If you go to the bottom to the right, oh, there it is. Oh no, there is a thing. You just have to do it slow enough. Okay. Did it mute? So this is supposed to mute. I don't know if you see, so let's play. And let's pause it again. Okay, so the mute works. Siri is on the side now. And press and hold. Press and hold to switch everything off. Okay, let's try it. Ooh, that shut down the whole Apple TV and the TV, which is good. Now let's turn it back on. Yes, good shit. Oh, sorry, good stuff. Yeah. And then the home button. Yep. Welcome to Apple TV. Sure. Okay. I think that's pretty much it. I am very happy. I am very happy.